When you're craving a hearty weeknight dinner, make this one-pot creamy tortellini soup. It calls for just 3 easy steps and 30 minutes of your time. All you need to do is toss, mix and enjoy. Before you know it, you'll have a rich and comforting dish on the table. Here's how to make it yourself. Things you'll need: 3 tablespoons butter, 1 small yellow onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 cups broth, 28 ounces canned crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 3 to 4 cups refrigerated tortellini, 1/2 cup heavy cream or half and half, 6 cups spinach optional. Tip: for a chunkier soup, use 28 ounces of canned diced tomatoes. Another option is to use 1 14.5 ounce can each of crushed and diced tomatoes. Step 1. In a large pot over medium heat, warm the butter. Add the onions and cook until translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic and flour and whisk until thick, about 1 minute. Step 2. Slowly add the broth and mix well. Add the tomatoes and spices. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, mixing continuously. Step 3. Add the tortellini and heavy cream. Stir until heated through, about 10 minutes or according to the tortellini's directions. Stir in spinach and mix until wilted, about 2 to 3 minutes. Top with fresh Parmesan and serve immediately. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more great recipes, check links below.